Yeah, hi all. So it has been long time since I did an informational video, so informative video. So I wanted to do how to tackle the board exams and especially the final exams, and how to overcome the fear for the final exams. So irrespective of the board, state exam, CBSE, ICSE. So in general, generally I completed my 10th and 12th from CBSE board, and the time 2010 I completed my 10th standard and 2012 12th standard. So I knew that fear at that time because even now I remember that jitters I had, and I can feel, and I can sense that. So yeah, one thing what we need to do is we need to like uh, preparation part if it goes. One is preparation part. Then how do we write in the exam, keeping the time management, because time management is most important in exams, and we need to always be at top of our time. So that is the thing. So one thing what I did was I mean, of course, subjects like mathematics, science. If you even if you take 12th class, physics, chemistry, mathematics, so that fear will be there. Biology, so all important subjects like computer science, mainly mathematics and science subjects. That fear will be next level, and I mean, it will be something else. So many thoughts will be running to our mind, like how the paper will be and how will we write. So yeah, so if you one thing is you focus on the important questions from the textbook, because textbook has so many questions, right? So many exercises will be there, so we can't focus on everything during the exam, because preparation is key, and how we prepare during that specified time line will remain very key thing. So let us say that today is 29th of Feb. So let us say that the 4th March is mathematics exam. So we completed today physics exam. So 4 days gap we are having, and we need to cover 15 chapters. So how we need to plan that preparation part, and how we need to go about is very much important, because during exam time we cannot prepare everything, and we need to cover all the things, and one day we need to keep for revision, that is mandatory. So that is it. Fourth is mathematics exam. Third, minimum at least by morning we need to complete the syllabus, and 1.5 day we need to keep for revision. So that is the thing, at least half full day we need to keep revision for big exams. Not only mathematics, but any exams we need to keep half day at least revision we need to keep. So that is main important thing. And one thing what I found is how you go about is in the each chapter you know the questions which are important. So please prepare on that one. See the sample paper, how it was in the last time. See the model paper, how it is. One model paper will come, one sample paper will come, previous year question papers will come. So many of the things will repeat. So those things you focus, you try to complete that one. Let us say that in chapter A, 1 mark is this one, so you focus on 1 mark, then 2 marks, then 4 mark, then 6 mark. So try to complete that one chapter. Then you go by comparing not only textbook questions. I'm saying that other sample paper and last year paper, and set paper what it came for last year. So that is the thing. And apart from that one, you need to complete all the chapters, and you need to complete the revision at least one day before, and you try to give one sample exam. Like let us say that CBSE sample exam will be there, and sample paper you need to solve, and you need to complete that on time. So that one sample mock exam will be there, so you try to give that mock exam before main exam, and you see where you stand. So let us say that you're getting some 50 60, then you can push further. If you need to go to 70 80, you need to see where you're lagging, where you need to bridge that gap. So one thing is preparing one like uh, one one part, and apart from preparation of one part, then you need to give you need to revise, and you need to give one mock exam of the previous year's question paper. So that is how you need to prepare, mainly for mathematics and science. So this is how you need to prepare, and you need to go about in your approach. This is one part. And apart from that one, for the people who want to pass, so if they see 1 mark, 2 mark important questions, and 4 marks and 6 marks also, they can score easily 2 to 3. So easily they can pass the examination. And apart from that one, toppers who want to score above 90 95, so of course they need to prepare entire textbook, and they need to see the sample papers and the model paper, and they need to see the questions which are out of textbook also. So that's how they need to prepare the toppers. Toppers, they need to prepare that. So and people who are scoring average to above average, how they need to prepare is if they see the important questions in each topic, like what are the important questions, like 1, 2, 4, 6 important questions, and if they see the sample papers of previous years, that will be more than enough for them, because that will repeat and they'll score the good score. And apart from that one, like one thing is this one, preparation of the exam. And apart from that one, like how do you manage the time in the examination? So what I used to do is, like, I used to start with the highest marking 6 mark question. I used to complete within 40 minutes, and then I used to go to 4 mark, then 2 or 2 and 1 mark. Or some people, they have different approach, like 1, 2, 4, 6. So it depends on the people to people. So what you do is, like, always, like, people who want to pass, for them that is most important, because time management is most important thing. So let us say that you know that you did your job and you completed your passing mark by at least by 2 or 15 minutes, then you know that you did your job and you are like you'll pass the examination. And so that's why you need to focus, and you need to encircle the questions which you know people who want to pass, and easily you can write it and you can pass it. Because probability 6 mark question you can answer, and vectors will come, so like that many things will come. And physics also, like Bohr's theorem, like few of the things will be there, like it will repeat, and like every time it will only repeat and you will easily score. But sometimes, let us say that paper is very tricky, so that time, like, this trick is for all, because once the paper is tricky, obviously we'll get jitters in that examination hall. But we should be very much cool and calm, and we should go section by section. Let us say that 1 mark we want to complete, you complete within 30 to 40 minutes of time, whatever you know. Then go to 2 mark, then 4 mark, 6 mark, or if you're starting from 6 mark, like, you encircle the questions which you know very well first, so you complete those things. So you're sure that even in the tricky and tough paper, you are getting minimum of 60 to 70 or 50 to 60, or people who want to pass, they will pass. But very much be cool and calm when the paper comes. Just have sip of water, take 5 minutes of your time to analyze the questions which you know you can answer, and you answer aram say very well. So I remember, like, my board was very tough mathematics, so I did the same thing, and it was good somewhat. So yeah, so that's it. Yeah, time management is very much key in examination, so that you need to manage very well. And yeah, that's it. So all the best to all the folks, like, who are appearing for the examinations, and especially, like, state exam, CBSC, ICSE. So all the best to all the folks, and do well. So keep three things in mind: prepare the questions very well which you know thoroughly, and see the last year sample year question papers. And revision, you keep time for the revision, and be cool and calm on the during the day of exam. You analyze the paper which came 5 minutes, and answer which you know very well, and then go to the section which you you think that you don't know answer. You just try to answer it, and you see, like, how much you'll get it. So that's it. All the best to all the folks, and this is the small tip of the examinations from my side. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.